You clicked on this video because you want to know how to monetize meme videos on YouTube, even if you're using copyrighted material. Well, you're in the right place. There are 4 essential things you absolutely need to remember to get your videos monetized. If you nail these, YouTube will likely approve your content for monetization. First, it's important to understand the basics of copyright and fair use. While YouTube is strict about copyright violations, there is something called fair use, which allows you to use copyrighted materials under certain conditions. This is especially useful for meme creators who borrow clips from movies, TV shows, and music. For your content to fall under fair use, you need to transform the original material in some way, like adding humor, commentary, or creative edits. Next, don't just upload a copyrighted clip and call it a meme. That's not enough. The key to monetization is editing. The more you edit, the stronger your defense under fair use. Add text, audio, filters, and rearrange clips to make something new and unique. The more transformative your content, the more likely YouTube will flag it as fair use and monetize it. Third, create your own original memes. Bring your personal touch and make them resonate with your audience. The more authentic and original your memes, the better your chances for monetization. Finally, be prepared to protect your meme content. Add a watermark with your channel name to your videos or include a copyright notice to let others know that your content cannot be used without permission. Check out this video if you want to know how to upload movies clips on YouTube without copyright.